and empower us to dream bigger. We meet characters that teach us courage, empathy, and resilience. And most importantly, reading gives our learners the power to succeed in the classroom and beyond. This year's celebration sparked excitement. Excited kayo? Hindi. Or excited kayo sa magiging hitsura mamaya ng mga characters? Curiosity and joy in every learner. May this remind us that the reading is not a chore, but a gift that grows the more we use it. To our teachers who tirelessly guide our students, to our parents who support them at home,